Let me break down metal for you. This is something that still today surprises people when I tell them about accessible metal. When I say accessible metal, this isn't $1 million machine. This isn't something that requires a dedicated operator, a clean room, or anything like that. This is an extremely safe technology. These are metal parts that you can produce directly on your shop floor today, or you can let us produce those parts for you. So Markforged has two metal platforms. The first and the original is the Markforged Metal X. This will run all of their metals currently. This machine is being replaced by this FX10. All of the metals aren't available on this platform today. By the end of 26, we expect to see all of the same metals from the Metal X over on the FX10. So the Markforged metal technology is referred to as bound powder extrusion. What does that mean? We're talking about a metal powder bound in a polymer matrix that is extruded through a heated nozzle, FDM style. So much like that desktop FDM printer that you have, just to the extreme, if that makes sense. The part that first comes off the printer is called a green part. This part has a scale factor built into it. Our software has a specialized algorithm that's going to add the proper amount of shrink to your specific geometry, and that part comes off of the machine, and that's called a green part. The next step in the process is a debinding. So we're going to put that part through a debinding process that is going to remove that binder in the material. And then the final step of the process is a sinter. So you're going to go through a full sinter cycle, and those times vary slightly just depending upon which material. So for materials today, we have 316L, 17.4, we have D2, H13, Inconel 625, and pure copper. The end result of your metal part is going to be a fully dense metal part with a layer resolution between 85 and 170 microns. Here's what makes this relevant to you as a customer. Traditional fabrication for a metal part, or even DMLS, is time-consuming and expensive. We're talking weeks of lead time and costs that can run into the thousands of dollars per part. In some cases, we can produce a part cheaper than those processes. Reach out to us, let us have a conversation, and we'll look at your specific application.